Welcome to the video, guys. Today we're going to be returning some things, and sorry for the quality. My mic broke, so bear with me. So I'm going to make the return, and I'm gonna grab the family doggy and go to the park. Alright, currently I'm on my way right now, and I also just wanted to talk to you guys about some things. So now that I work mostly from home, I've created a morning routine that will work on top of my schedule and ensure that I stay productive throughout the day. So I came across this challenge that I've been reading recently. You're asking what that is, right? Now that I've started pursuing my new role as a digital creator, especially when you're working for yourself, which means keeping yourself accountable and making sure that you are utilizing your time correctly. So Project 50 Challenge. It was created in layman's term, which means transforming a task into a project that matters. So it has 7 most important practices in which I will list here. I just pulled through, so let me continue what I was saying. And it's really important for you to incorporate some sort of routine into your day-to-day, so then you can ensure productivity. And everyone's routine is different. Sometimes it's about finding what works for you. Consider subscribing if you're interested. You want to follow me on my journey to becoming a digital creator, as I'm planning to share a lot on this channel. Let me go ahead and return the stuff, and then I'll get back. Ever interested in getting a Starbucks drink, ice shaken espresso with oat milk and 2 pumps of classic syrup, it's the way to go. Heading over into the house. Every time he gets super excited. Whoa. Do you want to go to the park? Yes! Alright, let's continue with the explanation of the 7 practices. So the first one is wake up before 8 a.m. I've always been an advocate of waking up early, and if it means to drop the late night gaming sessions or constant Instagram scrolling at night in bed, but creating a habit of sleeping at least 6 hours a day and a proper sleep cycle really helps how you function throughout the day. I already set my weekly Monday to Friday alarm to 6:30, and it gives me enough time for me to do my morning routines before I actually start my day at work. I'm using my shoe as a tripod because I forgot to bring one. Okay, so the second thing is do your morning routine 1 hour, no distraction. Setting your proper morning routine, which include things like making the bed, take a walk in the park, or even drinking coffee, and meditating in the morning, journaling. These are routines that you can definitely incorporate in your day. You're so dirty. Make sure whatever routine that you're doing, it is no distraction, and you're just make sure that you're spending that hour on just those routines that you incorporate. So the third one is exercise for an hour. Physical activity is very important. As fun as it is to play games at your desk, or depending on your job, you can even sit all day. It's always helpful that you perform some sort of movement, whether it be walking or even coming out, stretching your legs, walking the dog, like yes, good boy. So performing activities not only is good physically, but also keeps mental health in check. So reading 10 pages a day is the next rule. Now, no challenge should tell you how many pages you should read in a day. You should read as much as you want, because at the end of the day, reading helps strengthen your vocabulary and knowledge. It also increases your imaginations and creativity. And to some, it actually helps them relax and reduces stress. He doesn't know what he wants to do. You want to go? Is that what it is? All right. Go. What you doing? Huh? Oh my goodness. Okay, go. So the fifth one is dedicate an hour into a new skill. I get it, we're busy, we got a hectic schedule, we ain't got the damn time, I don't know, whatever excuse that you could think of. Believe me, the new skill really helps shape who you are and who you'll become. Learning a new skill also adds knowledge and keeps the brain active. So the sixth one is follow a healthy diet. I've been trying to stick to a healthy diet and I get it, it's tough sometimes, and it's just yesterday I got myself a Domino's pizza, but I know we all have our cheat days. Always fall back into a healthy diet and keep that consistent. It benefits us by keeping us fit, and it also improves your mental health and even keep us from future health issues down the line. That's so funny. I don't know what he's doing. Number 7, track your daily progress on a journal. I picked up the journal a year ago when I traveled to Hawaii. I stopped using it after I came back and life got busy. Now that I'm working on being a digital creator, it's so important that I jot down any ideas or thoughts into my journal. Currently, I'm using Notion, which is a workspace software that designs to help with deadlines, objectives, and assignments. It's very important to keep track of your progress because it shows that you're dedicated and consistent and committed into what you're doing. And what better way to see how much you have grown? If you learned something today from this video, or if you'd like to start incorporating the 7 practices that can potentially help you, smash that like button. Let's work on growing ourselves together. Also, which of these practices will you be incorporating into your lives today? I love your feedback. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.